The Roborock Q5 Pro Plus is the latest and greatest from Roborock's Q5 series and features a new attachable mopping pad paired with their latest docking station. We put the robot through our cleaning tests, and the performance on the Q5 Pro Plus received high scores in most categories. Its powerful suction handled debris on both hard floor and carpeted surfaces, and it also had fantastic performance on our edge and crevice cleaning test with 100% debris removal. Unfortunately, the functionality and maintenance of the newly added mopping pad bring down the score a bit. It lacks floor scrubbing movement and has no auto maintenance feature to clean the pad, giving it reduced mopping functionality. Additionally, its obstacle avoidance left much to be desired as it ran into multiple obstacles during our tests. At Monarch Castle, we test 13 different factors that impact the performance, build quality, and usability of the vacuum. On screen now is a complete list of our testing categories and their performance. This video is sponsored by NapLab. NapLab is our sister channel where we put mattresses to the test. We test mattresses through our battery of 9 different tests to create the most objective, transparent, and helpful reviews possible. If you're in the market for a new mattress and need help, visit us over at naplab.com or on our channel at YouTube. Cleaning performance is the most important factor we test for robot vacuums, with debris removal being the most critical. The Q5 Pro Plus had excellent scores during our cleaning performance test. We observed it pick up both small and large debris in our cleaning lanes. It had a total score of 97.1% debris removal across all of our dry debris removal surfaces. This is 4.6% more debris than the average of 92.5%. Additionally, it scored a performance score of 100% debris removal on both edge and crevice cleaning tests. While both our long hair and pat hair tests had near perfect performance, 24.3% of the long hair did tangle in the robot's dual rollers. We recommend monitoring and checking the rollers after the first cleaning cycle to monitor the tangle situation. And to wrap up the cleaning performance, let's talk about the mopping feature. The Q5 Pro Plus does not have a rotating head or vibrating mopping pad. It's essentially a microfiber cloth that gets wet and is dragged behind the robot. It's certainly better than nothing, but it's no replacement for a traditional mop, and it is notably worse compared to higher-end mopping robots. Navigation focuses on how effective the robot is at cleaning the home. We measured how fast it is, the effectiveness of obstacle avoidance technology, and how well it cleans without getting stuck. The navigation capabilities of the Q5 Pro Plus achieved a score of 87 out of 100. It had a moderately fast cleaning speed for our office, did not get stuck during its cleaning cycles, and did an exceptional job of keeping our 1,000 square foot office and studio space clean. What brings down the navigation score is the obstacle avoidance, or lack of avoidance.
Life. Don't let nothing stop you.
The obstacle avoidance for the Q5 Pro Plus was certainly disappointing. The robot either could not see the objects and drag them along in the case of the cord and pet waste, or it needed the front bumper to register a hit. That said, the obstacle avoidance tech may be improved with future updates, but for now, expect the Q5 Pro Plus to bump its way around your home. Additionally, we ran a cleaning session at night, testing the robot's visibility in the dark, which it completed without issue. The Roborock Q5 Pro Plus is a well-constructed and beautiful-looking robot combo. Both the docking station and robot are constructed out of durable-feeling plastic that has a matte black finish. Its accessories and internal parts felt sturdy and strong enough to withstand its expected life cycle and not suddenly break. When compared to others, it has a sleek, slim, and simple design. The matte plastic finish, paired with dark colors and compact docking station, makes it ideal to hide in plain sight without drawing too much attention. The Q5 Plus received a near perfect score in usability. The setup is simple and easy. In total, setup and connecting the robot to Wi-Fi took no more than 5 minutes. The Roborock app is user-friendly and guides you through the process of connecting the Q5 Pro Plus. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password ready and the Q5 Pro Plus ready as well. On screen now is a list of features and settings that can be adjusted with the app. The Q5 Pro Plus has an estimated yearly maintenance cost of $60. The only major maintenance tasks related to the vacuum will be to remove and replace the debris collection bag in the base station. The docking station for the Q5 Pro Plus comes with debris auto-empty feature, which means less time worrying about emptying the robot. Unfortunately, the docking station does not have a clean water refill tank or dirty water tank. It also does not conduct maintenance on the mopping pad, which adds further manual maintenance for you. In our noise test, the Q5 Pro Plus generated 69.0 decibels of noise on max power mode. This is 0.08 decibels lower than the average of 69.08 decibels based on all of our tests to date. In addition to the noise that the Q5 Pro Plus makes, we also measure the self-emptying feature with the docking station. We measured 75.9 decibels during the self-emptying cycles. Here's what it sounds like on each mode. And here's what it sounds like while self-emptying. Is the Roborock Q5 Pro Plus worth its price? Yes! It's gonna be great. It's a high-performance robot vacuum with reduced maintenance thanks to the auto-emptying duct. It handled debris with ease, managed both long and pet hair well, and had practically perfect results cleaning along edges and in crevices. While mopping performance was lackluster and the obstacle avoidance left something to be desired, those shouldn't be deal breakers for most, especially at this price point. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments, questions, please drop those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the robot, we've got links in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.